Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is going to be the first video that I am filming in 2023. So officially, welcome, happy new year, guys. This is going to be I don't know, I should say like a get ready with me hair review video, but I also want to do like a chit chat, you know, kind of dive into 2023 plans, goals, and all of that. Okay, so to get started, we are going to be working with this wig over here, guys, and this is from Luvme Hair. I'm gonna do like a quick unboxing because we kind of already know what comes with this package. We have the hair bag, we have the wig that we are going to be working with, we have their user guide, we have a wig cap, and we have a case for all the tools and accessories for styling this hair. So we have a comb in here and a mirror in here and a hairband. So I was just gonna get right into this video. Okay, so this is the hair that we are going to be working with, and this is a chestnut brown loose wave. It is in 5x5 closure wig lace, and this is what it is looking like. You do have combs as well inside the wig. You also do have an adjustable kind of bra-like straps. You can easily unhook this or hook this back if you want to use this. You do have this extra adjustable strap. So let me just put this wig on, see what it is like. This is the first time that I am rocking a brown wig. I want to see how this looks like on my skin and on me as well. But yeah, I think I'm just going to go in to kind of tweeze out the closure a little bit more. But this is what the curls looks like just right out of the bag. It is bouncing, it is loose wave, and this is what we have going on. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This again is the parting area for the wig. This is what the lace looks like. I'm going to go ahead to just melt everything down and make this even more seamless and flawless than it is right now. So I went ahead to just slick this down. I feel like I'm a little bit tempted to use a bit of got to be spray just to melt down the lace a little bit. So I'm just going to spritz a little bit of the got to be and then tie it down. But guys, what has been happening? Like, how has your new year been? I know it's only been a couple of days but I feel like it's the start. It's not really a fresh start in my own opinion. The way I see it, I'm not going to do new year, new me, all of that. I just want to reboot and reload and like refresh myself and start over again. I want to give myself a new deadline, a new plan, a new strategy, new goals for this new year. I want to do everything bigger and better. I want to dream bigger. I want to do better. I want to think bigger at the same time, because most times I find that limiting my beliefs or limiting my expectations gives room for excuses and mediocre results. We now have fresh over 300 and something days, 350 days or thereabout days to achieve your goals and everyday count. For YouTube, I definitely feel like I need to also re-strategize. I want to do a lot of more beauty again, but I also want to incorporate the things that made me me, which were like entrepreneurial content, YouTube content, production content, basically creator content to be more specific. But I'm sorry, I'm trying to let me just type this down for some minutes. Let me just brush out these curls a little bit. That's the plan for this year. Next week I'm going to be bringing out more content, hopefully. So I need to spend at least 1 week. Guys, I haven't even like started off like my new year. I feel like I'm not really starting off slow, but a lot of things have been happening in my life at this point that I am trying to kind of settle down a little bit and get into a place where I'm comfortable and kind of okay, so that I can start planning the new year. Like, I'm brushing it and I was kind of thinking that the curls would straighten out, but it's still giving, right? Yeah, it is. So the more I brush it, the more the length of this wig is revealed. As you guys can see, because it's curly, it's looking shorter than it actually is, but it does have length. So I'm just going to go ahead to cut off this excess lace. I went ahead to take off the band, and this is what the lace is looking like right now. So what I want to do right now is to just cut off this excess lace. This is totally normal, this white cast, and I'm going to just clean that up. You can clean this up using like water or just spraying on the glue back on. So this is what it's looking like. Let me get the spray and just spritz on it a little bit, and that cast is going to disappear. Just now. So can you see the difference between this side and this side? So I'm going to do the same thing here again. Glue, and that usually does the trick. So I have a bit of concealer on the back of my palm. I'm just using a little bit just to further define this part over here. And like I said, this is in the length 20 inches, and this is as far as it goes. Let me show you guys what the back looks like. Where the back is, again, once I feel like because the tips are curly, it's not showing off the true length, but it's like on my bra, it's like, well, this is what we are looking like. I am trying to straighten it out, but the curls keeps bouncing back, which is a good thing. I feel like this year I'm definitely open to trying out new colors, new styles, maybe short, maybe long, curly, whatever it is. I'm definitely open to switching things up and trying things out. But yeah, this is what it looks like. But if you guys know me, you know that I love a little bit of volume. So I'm gonna zhuzh this hair up a little bit, just shake it up a bit so that way it looks a little bit messy. But let me just run my hands through this. Okay. Oh, I feel like side parts would be so gorgeous on this. Like, a good side parts would be so gorgeous in this. Can you see that? Okay, loves, so this is what we are looking like, and this is the final look. This is a chestnut brown loose wave closure wig. It's a 5x5 closure wig, and it is by Luvme Hair. Again, it is so amazing to be working with them yet again. It's a new year, new opportunities, new wigs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the links, all the details as usual would be in the description box, so be sure to check them out. Be sure to check it out. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. If you are yet to subscribe, feel free to subscribe. It is totally free. It is totally fun on here. Click on the subscribe button right here, join the family. And if you guys are not interested in this hair but you want to see what other styles, textures are available within the Luvme Hair range, I do have a couple of videos on my channel reviewing their hair and different styles and textures. I will leave the link of the playlist over here so you guys can definitely watch and check them out as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching up until now, and a happy new year. I wish you such an amazing year filled with grace, filled with favor, filled with a lot of success at the same time. So yeah, like I always say, make sure you stay blessed and you stay fabulous. Bye guys.